Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your waxy and chewy kale into this delicious Korean side salad. We're going to turn these kale leaves into this juicy and tender side salad that goes with everything. And guess what? Not only is this kale side salad so healthy, low in calories, but even for those who are like, oh no, I can't do kale because it's just so waxy and not tasty, they are going to love this kale side salad. And it's actually simple to make. 오늘의 레시피, 맛있고 아주 간단한 케일 무침 만들기. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper의 헬렌입니다. The ingredient list is also available in the description box below. To make our kale side salad, we need about 230 grams. What we want to do is remove the green leafy part off this thick stem. Just pull it with your hands like so. You could also pinch it right here with your hands and just pull it back like that. And then the other tip, same thing, turn it over, pinch it here, and then just pull back and just keep on going. Now this may look like it's a lot of kale, but it's not. We're gonna blanch it and wilt it down to about 1/5 size. As for the stem, this is really hard, but you could try cooking it if you want, but I would just save these guys and add it to your stock next time you make your own chicken broth. In a medium-sized pot, fill with water about halfway and put the lid on, set your heat to high and wait for it to start boiling. Now, once our water comes to boil, what we're gonna do is add 1 tablespoon of salt. So I'm using a 4-quart pot and adding the salt will brighten the color of our greens, and it is also our first step in enhancing the flavor of our side salad. Then quickly we're gonna add our kale to this pot of boiling water. So your heat remains at high and add everything in here. Then quickly squish down the kale leaves so that it is completely submerged under our boiling water, like so. And then from here, I want you to start counting 1 minute. So at high heat, we're gonna blanch this for exactly 1 minute. And here we have 1 garlic, and we're gonna add this to our pot like that and make sure it's submerged. So it's been a minute, so we're gonna turn off our heat completely and quickly bring this over to the sink and strain it and cool it down ASAP. Then rinse with cold water. So we wanna cool it down as soon as possible with cold water to stop cooking so it remains tender and moist and not overcooked. Just rinse it once in a bowl of cold water like so. Then pour it back in the strainer. Then what we want to do is take as much as you can in your hand like that, about this much. You want to just squeeze. So we're just squeezing out the excess water, not squeezing out the kale juice. You don't want to squeeze that hard. So squeeze it about 5 times gently like so, and then you add it to your bowl. So I want you to break this up, and also we need our garlic. I'm gonna put this to the side for now and just loosen our blanched kale leaves like so and let it breathe while we get the rest of the ingredients ready. Okay, so using a fine microplane, we're gonna grate our blanched garlic and then turn it over and scrape in our garlic into the bowl. Then to this, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. And you could Google the nutritional value of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of Korean soy sauce. So all-purpose soy sauce will do. 양조간장, some black pepper, about a big pinch, 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar. And this is optional, but I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of 소고기 다시다. You could also use yandu instead for my vegan friends. This is to boost the flavor, so this is how restaurants make our side dishes, and you could also add just a pinch of MSG instead. Then mix it all up, and it's simple as that. Then pour this to our kale. So notice this leftover, what you want to do is take your kale leaf and then literally wipe everything out like that. Then you go with your hands and mix everything up. So you could be kind of aggressive with it because these kale leaves are pretty sturdy. We want to make sure that the seasoning is completely drenching our kale leaves. Oh, it's starting to smell really, really delicious in here. All right, so let's have a quick taste test. This smells so delicious. For me, it's perfectly salty. And with warm Korean rice, this would be so, so delicious. But if you like it a little bit on the blander side or less salty, just add half the amount of the soy sauce. So when you plate your Korean side dishes, it always looks so much better when you kind of shape it into like a little mountain. And you want to add just a little bit of sesame seeds on top. So when it comes to sesame seeds, less is more. Here's how I would eat it. I will find myself a piece like this, and then I will put it on my Korean rice and just pick it up and then have it like that, all wrapped up with warm Korean rice. That looks so delicious. It's time to eat. Bon appetit, everyone. It smells good. The garlic is just smelling so nutty right now because we blanched it to remove that raw taste. I mean, who knew that kale wrap could be this delicious? That is flavorful. And of course, you have to get a small piece of kimchi and put it on top and then have it together. Sometimes all you need is kimchi rice and one good Korean side dish, and you'll be happy and your belly will thank you. And this is so healthy, but it's so satisfying because it's delicious. Bon appetit again. Another big bite, but I can do it. What do I say every time? When you add kimchi, life just gets so much better. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, so this is my bonus to you for watching to the end. I would make this extra healthy by having it with jakgokbap, which is known here in the States as the purple rice, but it's actually made with multi-grain Korean rice and beans. Really yummy. It's last week's recipe, so you can check it out, and the video will be linked below. I would add some jakgokbap to your toasted seaweed kim, and to this I would add some avocado like that. Then a little bit of our kale side salad, and then I will put just a small dab of gochujang like so. Yes, you're welcome. And then you have it together like this. It's like a mini self-made kimbap. Bon appetit, everyone. Now, if you want to learn how to make more Korean side dishes, make sure to go to youtube.com/modernpepper. Click on the playlist tab and select Korean side dishes, and I will see you there. And guess what? This is a perfect side dish to add to your bibimbap, and I also have a bibimbap playlist, so I will see you there as well. I want to thank you for watching today, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, as always, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon. Doing so supports my channel tremendously, so I want to thank you in advance. And subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done so. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼과 구독 버튼도 눌러주세요. 감사합니다. 다음 영상에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. Alright folks, I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.